Dulas was established in 1982 and offers professional services throughout the clean energy sector. We bring together expertise, skills and knowledge to advise our clients on renewable energy, including solar PV, wind, hydro and storage systems. We operate in all areas of the supply chain, from feasibility and resource assessment through to installation, project management and operations and maintenance. Our mission is to improve lives through clean energy and sustainable technology through our global presence, working to provide sustainable energy for all who need it.